Welcome to our channel. Today we are fixing all issue regarding automation license manager in this video. Let's start. I'm trying to open the automation license manager, but it's not open. We are trying many times. It's not working. So click on Revo uninstaller and uninstall the automation license manager with this software. In this software you can delete registry also. So this is better option for uninstall the software. We need to install automation license manager latest version. The latest version is 6.2 SP5 and currently is installed this is the latest version and currently is installed as 6.0 SP9. So we need to uninstall it. Just wait a moment. Click on yes. The installation is start. Yes, it's uninstall. You need to restart, but we need to delete the registry, so scan it. Select all. These are the registry files of automation license manager. Select all, then delete it. Click on yes. Select all, delete all. Now it's deleted and automation license manager also uninstalled. Then close it. Then restart the PC. Now restart is completed. Then go to browser and type automation license manager. Then click here. You can download the latest version from here. I'm already downloaded. So I open this PC. Go to download. This is the latest version. I'm already installed 6.2 SP5. Click on yes. Then this is extracted location in temp fold. Then wait for finish. Sometime the setup is not started. Then go to extracted folder, percentage temp percentage. This is the extracted folder. Click on yes. Then go to setup. Click on yes. Click on next, next, then click on next. Install. The installation is start. Wait for some moment. Look, the automation license manager is start to install. The installation is complete. After installation, you need to restart the PC. Look, the icon is available on desktop. Then restart the PC. After restart, then refresh it. Then open Automation License Manager. Now it's working. The issue is fixed. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.